Are you a small business owner, freelancer, or sole trader in the UK looking for a simple and efficient way to manage your business finances? Have you been considering a tied business account but aren't sure if you meet the criteria? You're not alone. Many people get confused about the requirements for digital business accounts. But the great news is, the eligibility for a tied account is pretty straightforward, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly what you need to know. Tied offers business accounts to two main types of business structures: sole traders and limited companies. If you're a sole trader, you must be a UK resident and registered with HMRC. If you're a director of a limited company, your company needs to be registered with Companies House. Simple, right? But what about the other requirements? For all applicants, you need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid UK phone number. You also need a smartphone with access to the UK App Store or Google Play Store, as the entire account is managed through their app. Now, there are a few types of businesses that Tied doesn't currently support. This is important, so listen up. This includes things like businesses that are funded by regular donations, such as charities; certain high-risk industries, like cryptocurrency trading, gambling, or the sale of weapons; and businesses that hold or manage a third party's finances in their account. When you apply, Tied will ask for some personal information and a valid form of ID, like your passport or driving license. The application process is all done through the app and can be completed in minutes, with approval often being very quick. So, if you meet the criteria for a sole trader or a limited company and your business isn't on their list of excluded industries, you're well on your way to getting a Tied account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.